Look at all of these people making money. Like, this guy just made $100 from PayPal. The other guy just made a private request for $9 and keeps going on. PayPal again, PayPal, $100, $200, $200, $100, and he keeps going on and on and on. Every single time people are getting paid. Now they're only using this and they're only clicking on ads. How simple would that be? And in this video I'm gonna explain everything in detail, so make sure to watch this entire video so you can learn how you can make every single click. It will cost you, you will make $1 for every click. All right, now we're gonna go straight into the video right now without any fluff, so make sure to watch this entire video and also make sure to subscribe, because in this channel we are here every single day showing you guys how to make money online and how to grow that passive income online. And without further ado, we are gonna be going into the video, but make sure to hit that subscribe. And also, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my link in the description, so go ahead and click it. You'll learn how to make full-time income online if you just don't want to click on ads and make money. So that link is for you. And we are gonna go to the website right now, and the website we're gonna go into, it's very simple. All right, guys, so people come to this website, like entrepreneurs, the people who have websites and they want to promote it. They come into this website to literally get views or get clicks on their website. But you are not going to be doing that, because you are here to earn money. You're not here to spend money. So the advertiser option is not for you. The earn option is for you. When you click that, you're going to see it says join us and start earning money. We have paid $95,000 and we are here since June 2012. And these people, they have been around since almost 8 years now. And if they were scammers, they wouldn't be for that long. So they are legit and they've been doing business since 2012. Now all you have to do is click here, but for now we're gonna show you more about this website and what they're offering you, and then we're gonna be clicking to sign up in front of you guys so that you guys know how to sign up. It says earn commission when your followers are watching ads. Get rewarded every time your follower purchase anything. Get paid via PayPal, Payer, or Skrill, starting from $1. So you don't even have to get the 100 threshold. All you have to do is get $1. Once you get that $1, you are able to withdraw your sweet money. Now what we're gonna click in here is join now. I hope it will take me, but it actually took me to the account because I just made one account. But it's pretty dang simple. All you have to do is click join now, and then it will ask you your name, your username, and your password, and then you're going to type your password again and you're good to go, and then you're able to start your account from there. Now we are going to be coming in here, and then we're going to click view ads, because that's what we're here for, right? Once you click here, you're going to see this page where you are basically going to be clicking on ads and then starting making money. Now here you're gonna be making 0.05 cent, but that's what they're saying, but it's not true, guys, because you are gonna be able to make more. Now what you're gonna be clicking is here. Congratulations, you have clicked on the glance ad for the first time. We would like to see a little tutorial. So basically they're showing you tutorial so that you can learn what you're gonna be doing. And now I know how to do this because I've done this before. So you're gonna see this validating whenever this goes, and then so that's how, and the ads just appears. Now you're gonna stay in here for a couple more minutes, couple more seconds, and then you're gonna see you have to click these things that is upside down. All right, the upside down picture I see, it's I guess this one, right? Yeah, your account has been credited and now we are good to go. But then for the sake of making sure, we're gonna stay here for more 10 seconds, and then once we do that, we are gonna come back into the website again, and then we are good. Now we have earned a couple of cents from here now, and then here's are the others that you can make money with. Now basically we are gonna be clicking in here, but before that we're gonna click in here so that we can know this is another ad. Now this one is again validating. We're gonna wait for a couple of seconds and we're good. Now we have got the point credited. Now we're gonna click next. All right, now this is another website, so basically this will be like another one. Now what are we gonna be doing is 2 seconds, 1 second, we are good. Now and then again point. So you're just gonna keep doing this. It's gonna keep refreshing, and you are gonna keep on getting points every single time. Now we have another point has been created. Again, we're gonna click on next now. So this is the awesome stuff from here, from this website, that every single time you are gonna get point, and you don't even have to go back and click another ad and then come back. It's gonna be time consuming, but this one, it's literally easy. You just gotta be clicking buttons and then you are good to go. Now that we are here, this is another website and we are good. Now we have the points. I didn't even finish my sentence and we just earned that point. So how cool would that be? Now so it's gonna keep going. So if you guys understand the idea, I'm not gonna stay here for hours just to do that, but since now we know the idea, is we are good. So right now, this is the other ways that you can make money, which is very simpler than this, because with this one you will have to click on them. It will take you to the website. It's gonna take you 2 seconds, and then you have to verify the upside down picture, and then that's how you're gonna create it. But for this, it's very simple. You're gonna get 1 cent every single time you visit a website. So imagine if you went to 10 websites, that's a $1, and then literally it will take you less than 2 seconds for a website. So imagine if you stay there for 1 hour, you could make $50 easily from that. So that's like $50 an hour. And the good things about this is that you can make your money, and you can literally also withdraw your money with $1, and with $1 you can make with couple of seconds. Matter of fact, it's 10 seconds to be honest with you guys. So this is how simple this website is gonna be. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure if you guys enjoyed to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like button, and also make sure to comment I want free money, so that this video gets recommended and we get more comments. And also make sure to leave in the comments where you guys watching this video from, so that I can make videos based on your country, region, and also if you guys are looking to make full-time income online, I have my link in the description. Click that link. It's where I started making money online, so it's gonna be very banger link, so that you guys will enjoy that. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.